Reese, what are you doing on the counter? What you doing? Are you finding stuff to get into?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Beans.
What's in there?
Apple.
There's some beans in there? You want a bean? Jelly bean? Just take one.
Bean.
Just take one bean.
Hold it.
Hold it. You take one. Here you go. What do you say?
Please.
Please. Good girl. Alright, let's put him back. Hey, you gotta have done.
Hold it.
I see you holding it. Can you put it back in the cabinet? Put it back. Can you put it back? Reese Lynn, it's time for those to go back in the cabinet.
No.
Yep, you gotta put them back. You have one more. Have one more. One. Alright, that's it. Reese! She's stuffing her face. Reese, no, that's enough. You got a whole mouthful.